Today's story is about how I almost destroyed my whole career as a content creator last year. What went wrong? I started making YouTube videos on this channel in 2017 December May, and last year 2019 May I used to post one video in like 1 or 2 months, and I can understand being a YouTuber that's way too less. And the reason why it was happening because I used to overthink my content a lot. Whatever I used to work on or whatever I used to post on social media, I used to give it a lot of thought, and overthinking की वजह से I used to end up making nothing, and I used to post nothing on the internet as a content creator on my YouTube channel. Even though मुझे वीडियोस बनाते हुए कुछ साल हो गए थे, still that thing got to me. Like I used to not only overthink my content, I used to overthink कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. I mean इतना टाइम हो गया मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे रहते हुए, काम करते हुए, still these are the things which come to my mind. And the best thing I think is to not really give it a lot of thought. I can understand कि बहुत ज़्यादा overpowering and overwhelming हो जाती है ऐसी वाली feelings, but you have to deal with it. And how I dealt with it even after putting so much of my time and energy and efforts. And it's not like that I don't love making YouTube videos. There's just one job which I love the most, and I just wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. I don't know how many of you will relate to this, but being a YouTuber and a content creator is actually a very lonely job. You are sitting in a room talking to a camera अकेले. You just don't know what's gonna happen next, and वो चीज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा anxiety देती है. There will be people around you who will understand, who will support you, maybe your parents, your family, but to a point, because you're doing everything on your own. एक ही point तक, एक certain level तक तुम उन्हें समझा सकते हो, अपनी feelings share कर सकते हो, but at the end it's all in your head. Like all the feelings just overpower your emotions in certain way that you just stop doing everything at once. मैंने कहा था ना, समझाना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. Everything started to go like this, and I was like, you can't do this to yourself, Sonia. You have to do what you have to do. Like no one else can do that for you. And career was the most important thing for me at that time, because everyone around me was excelling at what they were doing. And I was like, what is this behavior, Sonia? So last year December के last week में I scheduled January की पहले 2 हफ्ते की videos बैठ के, and I actually worked on that, and धीरे धीरे मैं थोड़ा open up हुई. I started enjoying my work even more. And कुछ बार तो ऐसे होता था कि सुबह मुझे कोई आइडिया आता था एंड मैं उसे बना देती थी. मतलब मैं ओवरथिंक नहीं करने लगी. I started enjoying it, and the Sonia was back. One more thing which was holding me back was depression. There were so many things which was happening behind the scenes in my life no one knew about. There were so many things happening at family front, relationship wise, career thing, and you're a bacha, you don't know how to deal with these things. And I just posted 50 videos in total the whole year last year, एंड वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा रो रो के. लाइक आई यूज़ टू क्राई बिफोर फिल्मिंग, एंड थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट करके आई यूज़ टू फिल्म, एंड उसके बाद अगेन आई यूज़ टू क्राई, एंड दैट वाज लाइक अ होल मेसी सिचुएशन हैपनिंग. बट आफ्टर द self talk and everything, this year within 8 months I have posted 115 videos till date. So proud of it. Last year taught me not to be so hard on myself. It's okay if I am a certain way, if I look a certain way, or if I walk in a certain way, I think in a certain way. I do not have to beat myself up for the fact that why am I not capable enough for any other person, a stranger or anyone. If I don't think like the other person who's way too intelligent in my head, it's okay. That's just who I am. I have accepted who I am as a person. I have accepted my flaws, and I think that's the beautiful process about it. I think life just happens no matter what. You can't control it, but I think what you can control is how you react to it, your emotions, your feelings towards anything which is not making you feel good in any way. I'm not saying to ignore your feelings straight away. Give it some time, deal with it, walk with it, talk it out, think about why it is making you feel and think in a certain way. Think about how you can improve what it is teaching you. focus on things which actually matter, the changes you're trying to bring in your life, your career, your family, your friends, whatever it is that is important to you. Try to shift your focus on that, and slowly you will see that these temporary feelings will just fade away slowly. My biggest enemy last year was comparison. I used to compare myself with everyone. I mean, you are a YouTuber, you can see everyone's work on the internet, you can see their growth and their success and everything, but what you don't know about is their behind the scenes, like किस situation में they are working, how they are working, and so many other things we have no idea about. And I slowly learned that. I made peace with myself with this fact, and I was like, okay, and now I understand that people have their own struggles and they are growing in their own way, and now I just don't see comparison at all. I just try to compare myself with my yesterday's Sonia, and I guess I'm thriving to do that for the rest of my life. I just try to bring healthy, good changes within myself, and I think that's fine, right? I just sat down and thought of talking about these things because फैशन, लाइफस्टाइल, ब्यूटी होता रहेगा, बट आई गेस मेंटल हेल्थ के ऊपर बात करना इज़ इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनीथिंग टू शेयर विद मी, you can share that with me in comments down below, and my email address is also linked in description box, so anything which is fine with you. And with this we come to the end of today's video. I don't know what to say anymore. Also, don't think that you're alone in this. If you want to share anything, you can share it with me, because we are a family that way. So yeah, have fun, eat your lunch, drink water, bye.